And same thing is for dividing also. When we divide the two exponential numbers with same exponent, then we divide their bases simply and same exponent is put over them. Here a and b are any non-zero integers and x is a whole number. This law is only applied in case of same exponent, which is shown here in blue colored part. Let us see now examples. A raised to the power 14 divide b raised to 7 and x4. This is explanation. And 14 raised to the power 4, 7 divided by 7 raised to the power 4 on substituting their values. Then we have 14 raised to the power 4 upon 7 raised to the power 4. Then 14 upon 7 will remain same and power will also remain same, which is 2. But we can cancel 14 upon 7, 7 to the 14. So we will have 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 raised to the power 4. So 14 divided by 7 raised to the power 4 means 2 raised to the power 4, because within bracket the value of 14 divided by 7 is 2. Here again RHS part is the application of the law and left hand side part is the explanation of this law. Some more questions. Here 21 and 3 will be divided. We get 7 raised to the power 3. 7 raised to the power 3. Minus 63 divided by 9. 9 7 is 63. But in minus also, so we will have minus 7 raised to the power 4. Power will remain same. A divided by B raised to the power C. We can write it A upon B bracket and then put the power C. C here. Coming to next law. Numbers with exponent 0. Whenever we have 0 exponent over any base, its value is always 1. 4 raised to the power 5 divided by 4 raised to the power 5. 4 raised to the power 5 minus 5. 4 raised to the power 0, which is 1. And this is the law also. A raised to the power 0 is 1. One more example. Here also we will have 7 raised to the power 4 minus 4 0 and its value is also 1. And by cancellation also we can get 1 here. But by using the law of exponent for very large exponent number, we have to use the law. So this one is the application of the law and this upper part is the explanation with cancellation. Numbers with exponent 0, this is the law now. A raised to the power 0 is 1. Any number raised to the power 0 is always 1. 25 raised to the power 0 is 1. Minus 8 raised to the power 0, that is also 1. 128 raised to the power 0, it is again 1. And p raised to the power 0, that is also 1. Here there is a question for you. Simplify minus 2 upon 3 power minus 6 and again one more successive power 0 and both power will get multiplied. When you multiply minus 6 and 0, you will get 0 and its value ultimately will be 1. For any non-zero integer, a is about 0 is 1, so its value is 1. One more. 1 upon 13 multiply 1 upon 13 power 4 multiply 1 upon 13 power 4 and all these powers will get added because bases are same. So we will have 1 upon 13, 3 plus 4 plus which is 11, using the first law, 1 upon 13 raised to the power 11. In case of negative base and in case of fractional base, always put the bracket here as shown here. 3 raised to the power 4, p raised to the power 7, q raised to the power 5 upon 3 raised to the power 4, p raised to the power 4 and q raised to the power 3. Here clearly we can see that 3 raised to the power 4 will get cancelled with each other and we are left with p raised to the power 7 minus 4 means p raised to the power 3 and q raised to the power 5 minus 3 which is 2. Q raised to the power p3 and q2. P raised to the power 3 and q raised to the power 2. One more example to find out the value of the expression. 3 raised to the power 3 and within bracket 3 raised to the power 2 over power 3 and upon 3 raised to the power 15. When we observe this, we find that the bases are completely same, and in the numerator part we have 3 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 6 and they will get added. We get 3 raised to the power 3 plus 6, 3 raised to the power 9, and then 9 and 15 get subtracted from 9 and we have the value in negative, and in negative 9 minus 3 means 3 raised to the power 9 minus 3, 9 minus 15 which is minus 6, so our first option is correct. This is a complete explanation of that solution. Here powers are multiplied, 3 and 3, 6 powers are added, then 9 minus 15 which is 3 raised to the power minus 6 which we arrive at our correct option. These are the examples for expanded form. We have studied the expanded form in our junior classes or primary classes. This is 97,643. So 9 will be at 10,000 place. So 9 is multiplied by 10,000, 7 multiplied by 1,000 and 6 multiplied by 100 according to its place. 4 multiplied by 10 because 4 is at tens place, and 3 multiplied by 1 which is 10 raised to the power 0. Now we will show this, express this as a standard form. 9 into 10,000 will be written as 9 into 10 raised to the power 4 plus 7 into 1000 will be written as 7 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 3, 600. 6 into 10 power 2, powers are getting decreased one by one, then 4 10 to the power 1, then 3 raised to the 10 to the power 0. In the same manner, second example also, this is 6,58,100 and 6 into 1 lakh, 5 into 10,000, 8 into 1,000, 1 into 100, 0 into 10 and 0 into 1. This is the expanded form. Usual expanded form, and then it is using the exponent. This expanded form is again written 6 lakh is written as 6 into 10 raised to the power 5 because we have 5 zeros for 1 lakh. Then 10,000, 5 into 10,000, 5 raised to the power 10 to the power 4, 8 10 power 3, 1 multiplied by 10 power 2, 0 multiplied by 10 power 1 plus at last 0 multiplied by 10 power 0. Large number in expanded form. This is the speed of light in vacuum, or 3 multiplied by 10 to the power 8 meter per second. means light travels in 1 second is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters. In science, we need more large numbers and very small numbers, and for those we need the standard form or exponential form also. This is the math of what? Again science. And there are 22 zeros, and then 9 and 7 will also count it. So total digits after 5 are 24. So it is 5.97 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 24. Remember, number of digits after 5, after the decimal point we have to find. So there are 22 zeros and 2 digits 9 and 7. So in total there are 24 digits. So it is written as 5.97 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 24. One more example, how we shift a point. Point is shifted from towards left side, and this point is shifted 3 times. So we have 10 to the power 3. So standard form is 4.9 10 to the power 3. Let's see.